So this is the third experiment in the Java lab, and my lesson number is URK17CS174. We have three exercises in this program. Uh, so the first one is a program in which we declare a class called student, and we have the attributes a string name, an integer roll number, a string phone number, and a string address. And we have the respective constructor. We have the getters and setters for all these attributes here. And in our main, what we have done is we have created two objects, John and Sam, and we have initialized the values for them using the setters. So for John we have set the name as John, the roll number as 2, and we have given a phone number and an address. And we have done the same for Sam. We have given them a name, a phone number, an address, and a roll number. Here we have set it as 3. And using system.out.println, we will be printing out the information. But to get the information, we are using the getters. So to print out the name, we will be using john.getName. For the roll number, john.getRoll number, and so on. So let's run this program and see. So when we do run this program, we notice here down that the information is printed out properly: name John, roll number 2, then the number and the address. And same for Sam, the name is Sam, roll number 3, the phone number and the address. So let's move on to the next program. The next program is the employee program. In this, yet again we have created another class which is under the name of employee, and they have three attributes. One is name, year, and address. Year is year of joining, and we have the getters and setters for all of these attributes. The setters initialize the values and set the values, and the getters will return the values. And here in our main, we are creating three objects which are Robert, Sam, and John, and here we have allocated the memory for them. And using the setters and getters, we are setting the appropriate values provided to us in the question. So for Robert, we have set the name of Robert, the address as 64C Wall Street, and the year as 1994. And for Sam and John, we have done the same. So here, using the system dot out dot println, we first printing out the column names and then the appropriate information using the getters. So let's run this program and see its output. Yeah, as we can see down here, we are seeing the tabular column where name, year of joining, and address are present. And then John 1999, his address, Sam, year of joining, and the address. So we have achieved the expected output for this. So let's move on to the next one. So the next program is involving a class called holiday, and this class has three attributes: a string name, an integer day, and a string month. And we have the getters and setters here for name, day, and month. And apart from that, we have one more method here called same month program, which compares two objects month and returns if they are true. If two objects have the same month, it will return true, else it will return false. And the return type of this function is boolean, and we will be passing one object as the argument. So in our main function, we have been asked to create an object with the name as Independence Day, set month as August, and set day as the day as 15th. So we have done that over here. And apart from that, we have created one more object which is just another day. And using the same month method, we have demonstrated its working here. So since both these objects are belonging to the August month, the output should be true. So let's run this program and look at the output. So as we can see, the output here is true and the process has been finished. So this is the end of the third experiment in the Java lab, and thank you.